Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 dash cameras. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Vantrue N4 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. Audio recorded, yes. Touch screen, no. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Product number 2, Wolfbox X5. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Input, output, Type-C. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Product number 1, Redtiger F77. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Input and output, Type-C. App compatibility, Android and iOS. Data storage capacity, 32 GB and 256 GB. Maximum video frame rate, 30 FPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, FOV 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Interface, SD/MMC, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, Type-C. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 0.8 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.